Milk and papaya might not be the first food pairing that comes to mind. But this combination is a powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. Together, they create a nutrient-dense duo that supports overall health while being versatile, delicious, and easy to incorporate into your diet. In this article, we'll dive into the nutritional benefits of milk and papaya, explain why they complement each other, and discuss how they can contribute to your well-being. The nutritional value of milk and papaya milk is widely recognized as a rich source of high-quality protein, calcium, and essential vitamins like vitamin D and B12. It helps build strong bones, supports muscle growth, and aids in maintaining a healthy immune system. Additionally, milk contains important minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are vital for heart health and regulating blood pressure. Papaya, on the other hand, is a tropical fruit loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes. It is particularly high in vitamin C, beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, and folate. Papaya is also a good source of fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. One of its standout features is the enzyme papain, which aids in breaking down proteins and improving digestion. When combined, milk and papaya offer a complementary blend of crucial nutrients that promote overall health. Benefits of milk and papaya together. A digestive aid. Papaya is known for its digestive benefits due to the enzyme papain, which helps break down complex proteins in your food. When paired with milk, which is rich in protein, the papain improves protein digestion and absorption. This combination can be a great post-meal option or a snack to support your digestive health and prevent bloating. Rich in antioxidants. Papaya is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress. When combined with milk, this duo becomes a potent antioxidant-rich beverage, helping to reduce inflammation, improve skin health, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Supports bone health. The calcium and vitamin D in milk are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Papaya enhances this benefit by contributing vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone strength by assisting calcium absorption. This combination is particularly beneficial for people at risk of osteoporosis or those looking to maintain healthy bones. Boosts the immune system. Papaya is a vitamin C powerhouse, with a single serving often exceeding the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C strengthens immune function, helping the body fight off infections. Milk complements this by providing vitamin B12 and other nutrients that help with overall immune function. Promotes healthy skin. Both milk and papaya are excellent for skin health. Papaya's vitamin A and vitamin C contribute to reducing blemishes, improving skin elasticity, and encouraging a natural glow. Milk, on the other hand, hydrates the skin and contains lactic acid, which can aid in gentle exfoliation. How to enjoy milk and papaya? There are plenty of simple and delicious ways to enjoy this combination. Papaya milkshake: blend ripe papaya with cold milk and a touch of honey for a refreshing and nutritious beverage. Papaya smoothie: add milk, papaya, and other fruits like banana or mango to a blender for a creamy, tropical smoothie. Papaya milk dessert: mix diced papaya with chilled milk, a pinch of cardamom, and a drizzle of honey for a quick, healthy dessert. Conclusion: the combination of milk and papaya is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Together, they improve digestion, boost immunity, strengthen bones, and promote glowing skin. Whether as a shake, smoothie, or dessert, incorporating milk and papaya into your diet is a simple and effective way to nourish your body and enjoy a tasty treat.